Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to use Boolean Modifier in Blender. I have added this cube to the scene. Shift A, let's add another object. For example, UV sphere. Grab it on y-axis by hitting G. Let me enable the screencast keys to show you what buttons I'm pressing. Just like this, and you have these two objects over there. Select that cube. Let's add Boolean modifier like this. Let's select this object. When you set it to union like this, and let's apply the modifier. Tap into edit mode. Let's select the object, grab it over there. Hit X to delete it, and we have these two objects are merged together, and you can do some Boolean cleanup over there. The second operation is set it to difference operation like this. Select the cube, then use this eyedropper like this. Then let's apply the modifier as shown here. Grab that sphere, original sphere, hit X to delete it, and as you can see here, I've created this shape just using the intersection, using the difference as shown in our tutorial. Now let's try to set it to intersect as shown here. For example, then let's apply our modifier like this. Grab the original sphere, hit X to delete it. We have the intersect pattern as shown in our tutorial. And that's it for Boolean modifier. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.